this free tutorial, we're going to help you on how to enable the snap to timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
For an example, if you want to play your video
Today,
and we want our logo to end up here, and I'm trying to load it, and as you can see, in order to snap it to the timeline so that it snaps exactly, there's two ways to do this. Go to the top left hand screen and click the fourth option, sequence, and then scroll down until you see snap to timeline. So now basically, see how it snaps exactly. This is another example. See how it snaps. Another way you can do this is on your timeline. You want to click the second option, or right here, snap to timeline, this magnet icon. As you can see, as it's not snapped, it's hard for us to basically snap it exactly to the clip. But now if we click it, it's snapped completely for free. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more.